Welcome back to the video for Test Your Learning 2, the solution video. Okay, so let's go about solving this problem. We need to ask the user to enter an integer. So that's easy enough. All right. Once we have that integer, we need to convert it, or once we have that input, we need to convert it to an integer. Okay. So we will be manipulating this value, making it smaller, removing the digits. So it's best that we make a copy of it. So copy of value is int value. Okay, so whatever int value has, we're going to store it in this variable called copy of value. Okay, so now we need a variable that will keep track of how many even digits we have come across. So count even digits, and we will initialize it to 0. So now I want to iterate over the number itself, and we're gonna do that using a while loop. So if you recall, while int value is greater than 0, then we want to get that last digit. All right, so we're gonna say last digit will be int value modulus 10. Great, it gives us the last digit. So what are we going to do? We will check to see if that last digit is even. Is the digit even? Okay, so if last digit modulus 2 is 0, then what should we do? Well, we should add it to our count even digits variable. Well, we're going to say count even digits is count even digits plus 1. Okay, and after we have done that, all right, that's 1, 2, 3, 4. After we have done that, what should we do? Well, we should remove that digit. So we will say int value is the old int value integer division 10. Okay, and so after I have removed that, I will simply go back up to the beginning of the loop, and I'll keep doing that until I get through the last digit, or the only remaining digit. So once I go through this loop, I should have a count of how many digits, how many integer digits there are. And so now I can simply say print found some number even numbers. Okay, in that user input. So that format. The first one will be count even digits, and the second one will be the copy of the value. Okay, and let's make sure to close here. Okay, so let's give this a try. Let's enter 1, 1, 1, 1. There are no even digits, so from 0 even numbers. Let's try again, and let's enter 4, 2, 3, 2, and found 3 even numbers in 4, 2, 3, 2. And it doesn't matter how long the number is. I could say 88888 22222, and it tells me how many even numbers in 8888822. Now, reading this doesn't make much sense. I shouldn't say even numbers. I should probably say even digits. Okay, so let's change this to digits. Alright. Okay, let's try again. 42. Found 2 even digits in 42. And I am missing a full stop. So let's put that. And let's try again. 78. Found 1 even digit in 78. Okay, so our program works. Once again, it's following the similar pattern that we learned, where to go through a number, we go through each digit and we do something to that digit. We process that digit. In this case, we're checking to see if that digit is even, and if it is even, we do something. Now obviously, if the digit is odd, then line 37 here will be skipped, and all we will do is to remove that digit. Okay, so I hope this makes sense. This is the solution for Test Your Learning 2. And with this solution, it brings us to the end of this unit on iteration-based programming. In other words, using loops to write code whereby we repeat a task a certain number of times, or in the case of infinite loops, a user-defined number of times, because it's the user who determines when the loop will stop. Okay, so in the next unit, we will look at Python data structures. In other words, up to now, we have been looking at only variables that contain single pieces of data, right? One number, one string, one Boolean value. In the next unit, we'll look at storing multiple pieces of data using a single variable name. Alright, so we refer to those as data structures. So I'll see you in that unit where we discuss and solve problems using Python's built-in data structures. I'll see you then.